O says O. P says P. O, P, op. Repeat with me. O says O. P says P. O, P, op. Very good. O says O. P says P. O, P, op. M says M. M, O, P, mop. T says T. T, O, P, top. C says K. C, O, P, cop. P says P. P, O, P, pop. S says S, O, P, sop. H says her. H, O, P, hop. L says L. L, O, P, lop. B says B. B, O, P, bob. F, L says fleur. F, L, O, P, flop. O says O. D says D. OD, odd. Repeat with me. O says O. D says D. OD, odd. Very good. O says O. D says D. OD, odd. B says B. B, O, D, board. G says G. G, O, D, God. R says R. R, O, D, rod. C says K. C, O, D, cord. P says P. P, O, D, pod. N says N. N, O, D, nod. S says S, O, D, sword. M says M. M, O, D, mod. T says T. T, O, D, Todd. Write the following words 3 times in comment section and press the bell icon. Mother Phonics. Give your child lifetime love of reading and writing. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.